Good morning, my dear children. How are you? Let's start our new chapter. Okay. Chapter 4, Food and Nutrition. What is the name of the chapter? Food and Nutrition. We all like to eat food, right? Okay. See this picture. Can you identify some healthy food items from this? In this picture, some healthy foods are there and some unhealthy foods are also here. Okay, can you identify some healthy food items? What about the first picture? Is it healthy or unhealthy? It is full of vegetables, so it is healthy. Okay. What about the second picture? What is this? Put, fire, papad. Do you like this? Yes. Very healthy. What about this? Burger. Then KFC chicken. You like this food very much, I know. But this is not healthy. I will tell you why this is not a healthy food. What about this? Idli, chutney and sambar. This is also healthy. What about this? Pepsi, burger, fries. Okay, you like this, but this is not healthy. A glass of milk and bananas. This is also healthy. Appam and egg curry. Yes, healthy. What about this? What about this food item? This is not healthy, unhealthy one. Okay. So, you identified some healthy and unhealthy food items. Why these food items are unhealthy? First picture, the second one and this one. These food items are unhealthy. Why? Because it contains too much of fat. Okay, too much of fat, oil and sugar. Okay, that is not good for our health. So, these type of food items, burger, then pizza, KFC chicken, Pepsi, Coca-Cola, these are not good. These are called as junk foods. What is that? Junk foods. Junk foods are not healthy because it contains too much of fat, sugar, oil, etc. Okay. One question, why do we need food? You know that all the living things need food. All living things need food. For what? All living things need food to grow. They need food to grow. If you won't eat enough food, you won't grow. Okay. Then to get energy. Energy for what? To do all our activities. Running, jumping, reading, writing, thinking. Okay. Then third one, stay healthy. To stay healthy. To stay healthy means to keep our body fit. Okay. So one question, why do we need food? Why do we need food? We need food to grow, to get energy and to stay healthy. Once again, we need food to grow, to get energy and to stay healthy. Got it? Okay. From where we get food? We get food from both plants and animals. Okay. We get food from both plants and animals. Which are the food items that we get from plants? Rice. From where we get rice? We get rice from a rice plant. Wheat. We get wheat from wheat plant. Fruits and vegetables. Fruits and vegetables, we also get these food items from plants. What about the food we get from animals? We get egg, meat, butter, chicken, milk. These are all we get from animals. So, we get food from both plants and animals. Why do we need food? We need food to grow, then to get energy and to stay healthy And we get food from both plants and animals. Okay. Next is about nutrients. Next is about nutrients. Have you heard about this word, nutrients? Yes, I know, you know the word. But what are nutrients? Our food contains certain useful substances. Okay, our food contains certain useful substances that our body needs. That useful substances are called nutrients. Okay, define nutrients. That is a question. Define nutrients. What is that? Our food contains certain useful substances. Those useful substances are needed for our body activities, for healthy body activities. Those useful substances are called as nutrients. Okay. Mainly, there are 5 major nutrients are there. Okay. How many? 5 major nutrients. Which are they? First one, carbohydrates. What is that? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. These are the 5 major types of nutrients. Once again, which are the nutrients? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Okay. Then define nutrients. What are nutrients? Our food contains certain useful, what is that? Useful substances that our body needs. Those useful substances are called nutrients. Nutrients are of 5 types. Which are they? Carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Clear? See this? Based on the presence of nutrients. Okay. Based on the presence of nutrients. Presence of based on the presence of nutrients, there are 3 groups of food. Okay. 3 groups of food. They are, first one, bodybuilding food. What is that? Bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food. Okay. Which are the 3 groups of food? Bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food. These classification or these groups are based on the presence of nutrients. You learned about type of nutrients. Okay, you learned about the nutrients. Mainly there are 5 types of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Based on the presence of these types of nutrients, food items are classified into 3 types. Number 1, bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food. Okay. First one, bodybuilding food. Bodybuilding food. What is that? Bodybuilding. Bodybuilding food. Food that is rich in proteins. Okay. Food that is rich in proteins is called bodybuilding food. See the examples of, see the types of food. Milk, fish, egg, meat, peas, pulses and beans. These all contains proteins. Okay. These protein containing food items are called body building food. And they have some special functions. What is that? It helps in the growth. It helps in the growth of a human being. You are growing children, right? You are growing children. For a proper growth, you need to have proteins. So growing children need more protein food. Okay. And second function, it helps in the repair of body parts. What do you mean by repair of body parts? Do you know what is a repair? You know the meaning of that word? Yes. Repair of body part means if you get any wound, after 1 or 2 weeks, what happened? The wound will disappear. Okay, the wound will disappear and new skin will appear there. Okay, that is the meaning. Okay, repair of body parts. Clear? If you do not eat enough protein, what happened? The wound won't cure. Okay, so growing children need more protein. We should eat more protein. Okay, bodybuilding food. What is that? Food that is rich in proteins is called bodybuilding food. Example, milk, fish, meat, egg, peas, pulses, etc. What is the function? Helps in the growth and repair of body parts. Clear? Next, energy giving food. Energy giving food gives us energy. What is that? Food that is rich in carbohydrates and fat. Food that is rich in carbohydrates and fats is called energy giving food. What is the function? It gives energy to our body. Energy giving food give energy to our body. Which are the food items or which are the sources? Rice, wheat, potato, cheese, oil, okay, butter, nuts, oil. These contain carbohydrates and fats. Oil contain what? Oil contain fat. Okay, don't eat too much of fat. Okay, don't eat too much of fat, because you know what is that? If you eat too much of fat, you will become fat. So, energy giving food. Food that is rich in carbohydrates and fats is called energy giving food. What's its function? It gives energy to our body. Clear? Then what's the next one? Protective food. Protective food. What is that? Food that is rich in vitamins and minerals is called protective food. Food that is rich in vitamins and minerals is called protective food. These vitamins and minerals are required in only small quantities. We need only a small quantity of vitamins and minerals. But we should eat fruits and vegetables. Okay, which are the sources? From where we get vitamins and minerals? From fruits and vegetables. From fruits and vegetables, we will get vitamins and minerals. What are the functions? It protects our body from diseases. It is called as protective food, right? What is its function? Protect our body. Protect our body from diseases. Then minerals. Which are minerals? Calcium and phosphorus. Calcium and phosphorus. Learn the spellings. Calcium and phosphorus. These are the two important minerals that is they are needed for healthy bones and teeth. For healthy bones and teeth, you need calcium and phosphorus. Is it clear? Okay, once again, protective food. What is that? Food that is rich in vitamins and minerals is called protective food. From where we get these vitamins and minerals? From fruits and vegetables. What are the functions? It protects our body from diseases. Okay, protect our body from diseases, and minerals like calcium and phosphorus, they are needed for healthy bones and teeth. Is it clear? Once again, which are three types of food? Bodybuilding food, energy giving food, and protective food. What do you mean by bodybuilding? Bodybuilding food, food that is rich in proteins. Food that is rich in proteins are called for bodybuilding food. Food that is rich in carbohydrates and fat is called energy giving food. And protective food, food contains vitamins and minerals, is called protective food. Okay. Next is about importance of milk. Do you like to have milk? Yes, very good. You should drink a glass of milk daily. Okay. Why? Milk is a complete food. What is that? Milk is a complete food. Why it is called a complete food? Milk is called a complete food Because it contains most of the nutrients. Milk contains most of the nutrients like proteins, minerals, fats and vitamins. So milk is called a complete food. You should have milk daily. You are growing children. Okay. So one question is there. Why is milk called a complete food? Milk is called a complete food because it contains most of the nutrients like proteins, minerals, fats and vitamins. What are the functions of milk in our body? See this. It helps us to grow. If you want to grow, have a glass of milk daily. It gives us energy and protect us from diseases. Okay, these are the functions of milk. Okay, milk helps us to grow, gives us energy and protect us from diseases. Okay, one question. Why milk is called a complete food? Why? Because it contains most of the nutrients. Clear? Then, what is a balanced diet? Have you heard this word? No. Okay. Balanced diet. What is a balance? You know the meaning of balance, right? Balanced diet. What is that? A diet that contains correct amount of bodybuilding food, energy giving food and protective food is called a balanced diet. What do you mean by diet? Diet means the food we eat daily. Okay. Diet means the food we eat daily. That should contain correct amount of bodybuilding food and energy giving food and protective food. That is called a balanced diet. So one question, define balanced diet. Define balanced diet. What is that? A diet that contains correct amount of, what is the word? Correct amount. Okay, correct amount of bodybuilding, energy giving and protective food is called a balanced diet. Is it clear? Okay. Next is about importance of water. Why our body needs water? Okay. 70% of our body consists of water. You know, 70% of our body consists are made up of water. What are the functions? It helps in digestion. What is digestion? Digestion means, what is that you learned? I think you learned in the previous lesson. Digestion means breaking down of food into simple substance. Right? For healthy digestion, water is needed. Okay. So, you should drink at least 8 to 12 glasses of water daily. Okay. Next one, it helps in removing waste from our body. We know that undigested food are removed from the body, right? For the easy removal of waste from the body, our body needs water. If you do not drink enough water, what will happen? Constipation will occur. You know what is that? Okay, next one, helps to maintain body temperature. Our body have a minimum level of temperature, right? Okay, water helps to maintain the body temperature. These are the functions of water. It is important. Importance of water. What are the functions of water in our body? It helps in digestion, to digest our food items. Helps in digestion. Helps in removing waste from the body. Helps in removing waste from the body. And helps to maintain our body temperature. Okay. Next is importance of roughage. It's a new term for you. Roughage. What is spelling? R-O-U-G-H-A-G-E. Roughage. R-O-U-G-H-A-G-E. Roughage. What is that roughage? It's a fiber part of our food. Our food contains a fiber content. The fiber part of the food is known as the roughage. From where we get that fiber? Fruits and vegetables are rich in fibers. Fruits and vegetables contain fibers. That fiber part of our food is called roughage. What is its function? It also helps in digestion. Okay, roughage also helps in digestion, and it also helps the removal of waste from our body. So water and roughage are also important. What is roughage? The fiber part of our food. The fiber part of our food is the roughage. Okay, fiber part of the food is the roughage. From where we get fiber? From fruits and vegetables. So you should eat fruits and vegetables. Otherwise, no healthy digestion and no removal of waste from your body. So you must have a roughage and you should drink 8 to 12 glasses of water daily. Okay, clear? See, next one, deficiency diseases. What is that? Deficiency. See the spelling? D-E-D-E-F-I-C-I-E-N-C-Y. Deficiency disease. Deficiency disease are a group of diseases. What is that? Diseases are caused by the lack of nutrients in our body. Lack of nutrients. If you do not eat enough nutrients, you learned about the nutrients. There are 5 main types of nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Okay. If there is any lack of nutrients in your body, deficiency diseases will occur. What is deficiency disease? Define deficiency disease. That is a question. What is that? Diseases that are caused by the lack of nutrients in our body are called deficiency diseases. If you do not eat enough nutrients, deficiency disease will occur. See the picture? See the boy here? Do you want to like this? No. See the leg of this boy? See the shape? It is also deficiency disease. See the teeth? Your teeth are like this? Do you want to be like this? No. So, what should you do? You should eat a balanced diet, or your food should contain all the important nutrients. Clear? Okay. Okay, next one. Fill in the blanks. Dash food helps our body to fight against diseases. Which food helps our body to fight against diseases? Protective food. Protective food. Vitamins and minerals required in small quantities. We need vitamins and minerals in small quantities. Dash helps to maintain our body temperature. What is the answer? Yes, water. Water helps to maintain our body temperature. Fourth question, the useful substances present in a food are called, what is that? Nutrients. Dash and dash are responsible for the growth of bones and teeth. 2 minerals, right? Which are they? Calcium, C-A-L-C-I-U-M, calcium, and phosphorus, P-H-O-S, P-H-O-R-U-S, phosphorus. Okay, calcium and phosphorus are responsible for the growth of bones and teeth. Okay, these are the assignments for you. Draw any 3 food items that contain carbohydrate, protein, and vitamins and minerals. You should draw that 3 food items. Okay. And second question, why is milk called a complete food? We discussed the answer, and the answer is in the textbook also. You must read your textbook to find out these answers. Why is milk called a complete food? Because it contains most of the nutrients. Okay. Next, write the functions of roughage and water in our body. Write the functions of roughage and water. This is also in a textbook. Okay. Then write the heading, functions of roughage, and write its functions. Helps in digestion and helps in the removal of waste from the body. Then write another heading, functions of water. What is that? Help to maintain body temperature, helps in digestion, and helps to remove waste from the body. These are the answers. Don't forget to write in the notebook. Okay, once again, what we have learned in this class about the nutrients. What are nutrients? The useful substances present in the food are called nutrients. Okay, based on the types of nutrients, food items are classified into three. Which are they? Bodybuilding, energy giving food items, and protective food items. Okay, then you learned about the importance of milk, importance of water and roughage in our body, and about balanced diet. What is that balanced diet? A diet that contains correct amount of carbohydrate food, energy giving food, and protective food are called balanced diet. Then you learn the definition of deficiency disease. What is that? Diseases that are caused by the lack of any nutrients in our body is called deficiency disease. Okay, I hope all of you understood the portions very well. Do the assignments. Okay, thank you. If you have any doubts, call me in this number. Thank you, children.